Hello everyone, I am Anik Kormukar. Welcome to our CSE341 group project fire alarming system with Arduino and ESP32 along with the Google Assistant. Why we choose this project? Because few months ago we got the news about the Puran Dhaka tragedy and also the Borani tragedy. From that incident, we thought we choose this project for our CSE341 project. Now let's see how we implement the fire detection system with Arduino. First, here is the flame sensor, and now the flame sensor has 3 pins. This is VCC called 5 volt, and this is the ground, and this is the digital 0 pin. So now I will take the wires. Now I will put the wires into the flame sensor pins. So now let's plug in the USB cable. So I will port is Arduino Uno, the port is COM5. Then I will upload the code. Done with the compiling. So now we will open the serial monitor. Here in the serial monitor the instruction is no fire because there is no flame. Then I will open a flame, that is, see, it detects the fire, and in the serial monitor it gives the instruction that flame detected, take actions immediately. Now I will add a buzzer. So now let's check what will happen. So here is the no fire instruction. Then I will flame. As the flame detected, the buzzer is open, and if there is no flame, the buzzer is off. Now let's check again. As our flame sensor detects the fire in 0 mode, that means this is the digital pin, so it is working in a low command. So we declared the flame detected equal to 0, and the flame sensor detects the flame.
I'm Tasnim Alom, and now I will show you how smoke sensor works in our project. This is a smoke sensor flying fish in Q4. Now I will give the connection of a smoke sensor with Arduino. Now I am plugging the USB port and uploading the code. You can see that our initial value is 250, and in serial monitor there is less than 250 and there is no value greater than 250, so it shows that there is no smoke. So now I am showing how if it gets smoke, how it works. So you can see that the initial the smoke value is greater than 300, so 250, so it detects smoke.
Hello everyone, I am Mushfiqun. Now I will talk about our GSM sensor. It is GSM808, and we have used it in our project so that we can get SMS whenever our flame sensor or smoke sensor detects any flame or smoke. Now I will show you the implementation of this sensor. At first we have to put the SIM in it. Arduino. Okay. As you have seen, our flame sensor is already connected to the Arduino. Now I am attaching the USB. Here is our code. Now I am uploading the code. It's compiling and it's done. As you can see, there is no flame is detected in our sensor. If it detects any flame, then it will run this command, the send SMS, and in our send SMS method we have selected a number, and the module will send SMS to this selected number, and it will also make a call to this number after 3 seconds. Now I am making some flame near the flame sensor. As you can see, the flame is detected in our sensor, and it is sending SMS to that number. Well, using the number, and there is a call from this number.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shahid Alam. In our project, we need to show the current state of our sensors. So I will use a 16x2 LCD to show the status. Let's see how we implement it with flame sensor.
So, as we can see, here is the 16x2 LCD we are going to use. And here is the 4 pins, and we can see that ground, VCC, SDA and SCL. Now we are going to connect them. As we can see, our LCD is connected, and now we are going to upload our code on the Arduino board. Here we can see that no flame detected, stay cool code is coming, because we are not getting any flame signal, and as we can see here that no flame detected signal is coming. And now we take an example so that the flame and as we can see that after putting a flame here, and we are getting a flame detected signal, and after removing it becomes to no flame detected.
Hello everyone, I am Junaid Ahmed Ridwan. Our project is almost done, but here we have come up with a new idea to add Google Assistant to our project. As we know that when there is a fire burning in a house, we can go inside the house and just turn off the full power circuit. For this we are using the Google Assistant so that we can control the power circuit of the house from outside by giving command to our phone to the Google Assistant actually. For this reason we have used Node MCU32s, which has a built-in Wi-Fi. Now let's see the implementation of it.
Okay, this is Node MCU32s. We are giving power connection to it. Okay, now we are going to connect the sensors, smoke sensor and the flame sensor with the relay. Now let's connect the ESP32. As we have seen that our relay has got power, as well as our smoke sensor and our flame sensor. That means they are working perfectly fine. Now let's check the part of the Google Assistant. Power off.
Fire system shutting down.
As we have seen that our relay and our fire and smoke sensor has turned off. Now let's turn on it again. Power on.
Setting fire system in active mode.
Now my relay and my sensors are on now. Can power on and power off my whole power circuit of the house by using my Google Assistant. Now let's check the code. In this code I have used Adafruit library MQTT. My relay is connected to port 23. My SSI LAN WAN SSID is Programmer's Villa and password is my AIO server is Adafruit, AIO server port 1883. My username is Ridwan and this is the unique key for this project generated by the Adafruit IO website. Whenever I give command to my phone, so then a command goes to the website IFTT Adafruit where I have connected my Adafruit and Google Assistant. From here Google Assistant sends the value to Adafruit and my value here changes 0 or 1. From where which also from here this value is sent to my ESP32 with the help of which my relay power state changes or turns on.